Zack. It is almost time for you to go to school. And I don't want to argue with you. Now please get downstairs. You are about to have your breakfast get cold.
Okay, fine, Mom. Yeesh.
Okay, class, today we are going to have a lesson on algebra.
Ms. Aaron, may I use the bathroom?
Sure. But make it quick because we are about to start.
Thanks. I so do not want to take that lesson. Well, what could I do? I got it. I will trip the fire alarm.
And that's how you do algebra. You may begin. Kids. The fire is going on, or a fire drill. Everyone line up and exit behind me.
Attention all students and staff members. There is no fire. That was a false alarm. Someone pulled the fire alarm next to a classroom. We will look for answers. You may go back in.
All right, class, let's continue on with the lesson we have to do.
Zack, please come to my office immediately. Repeat. I need Zack in my office immediately. Zack, I want to know if you pulled the fire alarm in the hallway 30 minutes ago.
I do not know what you are talking about.
No. That is not true. Tell me now. Did you pull the fire alarm?
Okay, fine. You caught me. I pulled the fire alarm.
Zack. How dare you do that to the school? Now you're making me pay a $500 fine for the false alarm.
That's it. You are getting a 1-week suspension. And when your suspension is over, you will serve 2 hours of community service after school, and including a weekend school.
Now leave. Leave this school. Oh. Zack, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. For your punishment, playing really loud music. This music will be very loud that I will leave this room now. You are grounded for 2 weeks. Now get your butt to your room right now.